Okay, out here for the first day of a new build. We're building a garage workshop with an attached apartment building on it. I'm going to show you how we get snapping lines. First thing we want to do is we're using our 10-inch block. We like to leave a 1/2 inch for a drip edge overhang. So you come in 9.5 inches to make your first mark. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Come in 9.5 inches, make a mark. All right, now we're gonna snap a chalk line all the way across. Go. Get yours down there on the mark. He's got his on the mark. I'm going to pull mine tight. Line it up on my mark. And snap the line. Lift it straight up so you don't get more chalk everywhere else. Now you got a perfect line to start. It shows you exactly where the first course of block is going to be lined up on the face. Keeps a nice plumb wall. Ready to throw the rest of the blocks.